Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the video you want to caption. Do this now. Make sure the audio is clear because auto captions depend on it. Tap the timeline clip, then choose text and select auto captions. Pick the language and style. Once done, Capcut generates a draft of captions. You do this first so timing and wording are easier to adjust later. It saves time versus adding every caption manually. Now you refine what Capcut created. Play through the video and pause where words are wrong. Tap a caption to edit text because accuracy matters. Once done, drag the left or right edge of each caption to tighten timing and use 0. 5-second adjustments for precise sync. Make sure captions are readable. Choose contrasting color, appropriate font size, and background opacity. Also use consistent placement so viewers don't miss important. Finish by previewing the entire project to confirm captions display correctly. When satisfied, export with captions burned in for social platforms, or export an SRT file if you need separate captions. Make sure export settings preserve frame rate and resolution. Mismatches can shift timing. If captions misalign after export, reopen the project and resync affected captions one clip at a time, because frame rate or trimmed audio often causes drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.